morning everybody and welcome back to another vlog. It is the 29th of July and we are all ready. My mum's here to give us a lift to the train station. So yeah, just like ready to go, packed our suitcases, need to get going because it is 9 and our train's in 47 minutes. But yeah, we're all ready to go. Let's get going. Little outfit you see, excuse the stain. Got my really cute little orange t-shirt and me currently favourite joggers from Primark. And I haven't shown these yet. My UV changing shoes. Obviously this is when I'm indoors in the white. Watch this space to see them outside. Super cute. We have arrived in Manchester. It's a little bit rainy, spitty right now, but we've dropped our 2 suitcases off at the hotel, but we can't check in till 4. So now we just have to wander around and just see what it's all about, don't we, Harrison?
Yeah,
He is here.
A bit windswept and wet.
There's our premiere in, whoop whoop. But yeah, we're just gonna go on an adventure now. It was a bit walky.
She said go right.
She said turn right, I know. Anyway, I'll catch up with you in a minute. So we have come to Spoons because I wanted like jack potato for my lunch or something. I didn't want like McDonald's or anything because we have ate like absolute trash for since when? And when did we start having takeaways?
Friday.
Saturday.
Saturday? Friday?
Saturday. I think it was Saturday. We've literally had takeaway like every day and like I didn't want anything like that for me lunch, so we've come to Spoons. I'm gonna have a jack potato, Harrison's having a panini, because then we're just gonna, maybe we'll go to like a couple shops.
Yeah.
Before we have to go check in. But yeah, we just thought we'd grab some lunch in Spoons because I just want a jack potato basically. Basically. So we've just been on a walkies. We've actually seen quite a few cute dogs. But what have we been doing? We've been to Costa. We're just waiting for the room so we can go in and like sit down, put up like, because I've got like my laptop and everything, my backpack, I'm like, oh.
Just trying to kill time.
Yeah, we're just killing time, so we've just like walked the opposite way from where we were, and yeah, it was pretty tall buildings, but yeah, just walking around. Super fun. Taking in the sights. Not Harrison, the fountain. Ha ha ha. Oh, did you get it? Ah, God.
So I'm just googling what that is now.
Harrison's just googling what it is. Whoa, look, they're like floating around the plants.
Yeah.
Oh, seeing so much today. We're in the hotel room. We've literally just been lying, watching Mother's Day. I'm now gonna have a cookie. Here I am, still alive. Ah, we're on the top floor, but we are in the hotel. It's really cute, yes. Super cute. It's quite high up. Not as high as them buildings, but you know. Ooh. Let's not break the camera again. Hello, it is, oh, I don't have my watch on. It's like 10 past 8 and we are about to go out. We're going to go Slug and get some food because actually I haven't been to Slug Less in so long, Harrison. We used to like, I'd go all the time in Bedford.
I went last week.
No, we didn't.
I'm joking.
I was like, we haven't been to Slug. Yeah, so yeah, basically ready. I'll show you my outfit just because I feel like I'm on holiday.
Oh, I've done something.
Oh, snazzy. Purple. But yeah, we're going to go out because we're going Slug and then we're going Bougie. Bougie. Harrison's making a disco bang. Yes, so here is said dress. It's a bit creased, but there's no iron still end. And they said we're going to use the workers one, but if I'm being honest, I actually can't be bothered to go downstairs. Yeah, so my dress is misguided. There's me really cute sandals because if you know me, I can't wear heels, nerve damage, numb toes problems. And yeah, super cute, B-Day special. Harrison's in his new Levi's t-shirt. What are you doing? Anyway, we're going, let's go. Pretty sky. Harrison's obsessed with skies at the minute.
Look at that sky, I'm obsessed with.
Are you obsessed with skies?
Obsessed with that.
We're actually on our way to Bougie right now. Just looking at the sky on the way. Hello. So we have just left Bougie. It was really nice. It's my aesthetic completely. Pink and more pink. Harrison, how did you feel?
Very pink.
Feel really weird because I'm on the wrong side. Like, I don't like this side. Let's just swap. But anyway.
That's my good side, so I don't know why we always look on that side.
Yeah, but my right's my good side. But anyway, we're just walking back to said hotel. Yeah.
And sleeping?
Yeah, I am tired, to be fair.
I'm knackered.
I feel like we've had such a busy week. I am just like tired, but we've had a good night. It was good tunes, good drinks. Yeah. Basically went to the photo booth. Harrison's got the pickies. He's just in his hand. Ta-da. But yeah, we're just walking back now. I hope not.
Scary times.
I'm even in a lift. Please don't get in the same lift as us, that would be weird.
Tower of Terror.
Harrison, please don't. Harrison's making me scared in lifts. If you know me, I don't do lifts. And I'm in the lift. Harrison! I actually won't speak to you. Harrison. You'd be sleeping outside.
Stopped.
Shut up, Harrison, I can feel
Because it's our floor.
We're on the top floor, guys. Good morning. It is day 2 in Manchester. We're up, we're showered, so I've washed my hair now. I've just thrown on like a schmock dress. And we're just gonna go for breakfast now, then we're gonna come back and get ready. So yeah, I mean I just let my hair dry naturally because my hair's straight as straight hair gets. But yeah, basically, Bougie was good last night. I really enjoyed it. Did you, Harrison? Oh, you can't even see you. Lol. Did you have a good night, Harrison, anyway?
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, it was great. No, it was really nice. I really liked it. Really good. But yeah, we're going to go grab some breakfast now and then get ready because we've got 2 reservations today. Peace. But yeah, let's carry on with day 2. Hello, there's Harrison on the bed. We are back from breakfast, just went spoons because cheap and cheerful. Yeah, oh well, under my eye. But yeah, we've just gotten ready and we're going to, is it called the Wash House?
Yeah.
I believe it's called the Wash House. It's like that place which looks like a laundrette on the outside, but it's actually like a bar underneath, I think, behind. IDK, we'll soon find out. So we're going there like this afternoon and we're just gonna go look around some shops. But yeah, here's my cute little OOTD of the day. Yeah, we've got this really cute little yellowy top. As you can see, it's really cute yellow. From Zara, which I got off my nan for my B-Day. My off-white jeans from Primark. This is just a Primark belt. And I'm wearing my new cool Air Forces. But yeah, and I've got some little hoops in because I always wear hoops, little ones, if I'm gonna wear an earring. Super cute. But we're gonna go. Yeah, let's go, Harrison. We are at the washroom in, oh god, I hope they don't open that door. There's workmen everywhere. It's like ruining the mood. But yeah, Lego, for example, right behind me.
Yes, yeah. Sweet, thank you. Bye-bye. Just like that.
Wowie.
Oh, it's closing.
Borrow some? You're not gonna be able to hear me, but I've got the Cocoa Poppy one because I'm hungry. Lol, and Harrison's it's really spicy. He's really looking forward to trying it.
I mean, I'm not gonna eat the chili.
No, you're not gonna eat the chilies. I'm excited though. You may not be able to hear me, but Harrison's currently dying because his drink is that spicy.
It came with chili.
It came with chilies.
Tiny sauce.
Mine was like absolutely banging. I've like ate the Cocoa Pops. Oh, I'm focused on the taste. And yeah, it was really tasty. It tastes like chocolate milk.
Nice, but I'm not dying.
He's dying. Too spicy, I haven't even tried it. I hate spice. We have just been... Oh, Harrison, he's making us walk around in circles. Trying to find Primark.
I'm so confused.
We've just been to the Wash House. It was really good. 10 out of 10. Except the toilet without the open flames was a bit, I wasn't a big fan of. It was really warm and my hair was getting really close to the fire. Harrison.
I know we're going.
He said he's taking us up some dodgy street. But Harrison's like had an alcohol vape and now he's...
I've gone me.
He's a goner.
Whoa,
and it's literally like 3:05 in the afternoon and we're not got our next thing, we're going somewhere else at 7:30, so...
getting...
Ah, you'll be alright by then, to be fair. But no, we're gonna go find Primark. Who says Primark? Ah, Jade. We are back at the hotel for a little bit. We've ordered Taco Bell. So, I've never had Taco Bell, have you?
I've never had Taco Bell.
Harrison's never had Taco Bell. But we've always wanted to try it. I've put something on my screen. So yeah, we've just got an array of things. Hopefully, there'll be something that we'll like. Harrison, you'll like it. You're fine. I don't like trying new things, so it's a bit stressy. Mine, well, hopefully I really like it, because like, I want to like it. But anyway, we're just going to chill for a bit because we're going bowling and playing pool later at 7:30. So we're going to eat now, then get ready. So we're going to catch up on Love Island and just chill, wait for the food, then eat that. Because it has just been raining as well, so we're like, might as well just go sit inside for a little bit. But that is what we're currently doing. Hello, OOTD for, we're going to Roxy's to go bowling. I'm in Miss Selfridge little halter neck, some Misguided like 2 pink colour shorts. Got my belt on just for balance, and I've just thrown my denim jacket on because it's meant to be raining, it's not the warmest, hence the umbrella. Good morning again. It is Saturday morning and we are just packing up ready to check out. So last night after we went to Roxy's, we walked around and it was pretty like dead everywhere, wasn't it? There was like,
yeah, there's not much going on.
There wasn't much going on that we could see. The streets were really quiet and I was like, it was a bit weird because it was Friday night. I don't know, is it always like that? IDK, but it was just like really quiet and like there wasn't anywhere given the vibe to like, oh, come in here. But anyway, so we just came back, ordered McDonald's, and we slept for like over 10 hours probably.
Last night, yeah.
Yeah, we didn't wake up 10, we just like came in at McDonald's and zonked and went to sleep. And woke up at 10 this morning, so there you go. Had a nap basically, but no, we're up today and yeah, we're just about to check out. It is 11:30, so we've got half an hour. Then we're gonna go get some lunch. And then yeah, our train has actually been cancelled this afternoon, which we already knew. They just said get on the next one available, so I think it's only 20 minutes later, the next one, so no biggie, but yeah, we're going to do that now. Wow, this lighting is 10 out of 10, perfect. It's a bit better. Anyway, here is my OOTD, time to go back to Newcastle vibes. It's got this cute t-shirt from H&M, which doesn't need an iron, but you know, we move. Got these really cute, the softest ever leggings from VS, which my mum got for me BD. Super cute. Long white socks, because I love me some long white socks. And my new changing Air Forces, which Harrison's probably sick of hearing about because I love them. Also got me like crew neck oversized white jumper, but you know, it's kind of warm in here. It's time to go and Harrison's only just telling me he hasn't zipped his suitcase up. No, he can't get it. Oh, goodness gracious me. I'm just sitting here waiting to go. Don't forget the umbrella, lol. You're hungry? Well, we're going for lunch.
We're going to make it.
We're going to make what, lunch?
No, I'm not going to make it there.
Oh. I've actually been on the 8th floor this whole time. And I actually hate lifts, but I've done the lift every time. So for the final adventure of the hotel, I'm actually walking down the flights of stairs. So Harrison's in the lift with his suitcases. But yeah, I've been really brave. I've been in the lift, but I'm going down the stairs now. Lighting is amazing. So far, there's more train disruptions, so we don't even know what train we're getting, to be honest. Apparently we're going from Piccadilly now, not even Victoria. So we've got loads of time, so we're just having a pretzel sitting outside because who knows what to do. I have just bought 2 new books, so how exciting. Me reading, wow, my mum be impressed. What? Don't know if you're able to hear us. We are on the train, and we even have a table seat to ourselves. It's actually really quiet, isn't it? It's like nobody here. We're not on the right train, obviously, because ours got cancelled. There's no one around us, which is nice. And yeah, it's direct to Newcastle, so no changes. Boop, boop. But no, I've just started editing this video on the train, so I've just done that now on my laptop. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna have me twirl And then yeah, I'll probably finish editing this tonight, but I'll see you when we get home. Hopefully not too long. Look how sunny it is. Well, that ruined the vibe. Hello, we are back home, back with the boys. My mum's brought them back. Hello, Obi. Oh, he is there. It's just a bit dark down here, isn't it, Rubes? But yeah, we are back home, and yeah, I've had a good time. Have you had a good time?
Loved it, yeah.
No, it's been really good, and yeah, mint. I don't know what else to say. I'm just like, yeah, but oh yeah, you're like, yeah too.
That was funny.
Oh yeah, I know. Ruby got locked in the bathroom the other night when he was at home with two of my other cats because they were chasing a moth. But yeah, they had a fun evening in there, didn't you, Rose? Oh, he's underneath my feet. But no, I'm gonna end this little vlog here because no, it's been really fun. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have, it does mean the world. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm planning on vlogging more. I've told Harrison I'm gonna be doing it loads, so we're like, especially the next few like weeks, just feeling the vibe. But yeah, please like, subscribe, all that jazz, and I shall see you in the next video. Is that cute boy in his igloo? Is that cutie pie? You're so lovely. My Ruby. Hey, Rick! Psst, 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 psst. Rick! Is he there?
No. Yeah.
Hey, there he is! Hi, Ricky!
I think you went for a drink.
Good mornings! He's been asleep. You're cute. Mwah.